iQOO is back again with the iQOO 10 series. Also, they officially confirmed the launch date and they are going to launch the new iQOO 10 series on July 19th. They will announce two different devices, the iQOO 10 and iQOO 10 Pro, and also we will have the BMW edition smartphone. Now, in terms of the design on the rear panel, we have this large camera module with gimbal stabilization written on the rear panel. This one has this dual tone design. If you talk about the display, this one features 6.78-inch display. Now, this one is the 2K display. Also, the refresh rate is 120Hz. This one is an AMOLED panel and we also have the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor inside the screen. This time the iQOO 10 Pro will feature Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chipset, and that's how it will provide up to 20% of performance gain. In terms of the internals, this one features 6GB, 8GB and 12GB and up to 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM options and 128GB of base and 256GB 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. iQOO 10 Pro will run on Android 12 out of the box. This time the iQOO 10 Pro will be 216 grams in terms of weight and 9.5 mm in terms of thickness. If we talk about the camera modules, the main sensor here will be 50MP with gimbal OIS stabilization. We also have the 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and the third one is 14.6MP telephoto camera with the 3x optical zoom. Now here the part of the camera module is the glass type of design, and the remaining part of the back panel has a leather finish. Here the selfie camera is 16MP. If we talk about the battery, now this one is really great. We got 4550 mAh of battery with 200 watt of charging speed. 200 watt of charging speed is the main highlight here, it looks like, and also this latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus. Now iQOO already announced the launch date and they are going to launch this one on July 19th, and in terms of the pricing, this one will be around $700 for the base variant. That's the all info we had today for iQOO 10 series. What do you guys think about this smartphone? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you later.